farmhouse riser, the beautiful door garden here. So there's tons of stuff, guys. And if you haven't really ever looked at the blog, there's tons of other clips too. If you go way back in our archives, like she's got some lemon signs, egg carton centerpiece. She's got a little autobiography one right here. Here's some heartfelt ones like what spring means to you. There's plenty on here, guys. There's fall theme ones. If any of you guys are new to DIY Living by Teresa Lindsay, definitely need to come check it out so you can see all of the other stuff that she's on the blog beforehand. Other than that, we have been working tirelessly on a new product we're going to be putting in the storefront, which is mystery boxes. So the mystery boxes are going to have a whole bunch of crafting supplies that we've just put together, and it's going to be, we're going to put them for sale on the website. They'll be up tomorrow at some time, and Lisa will let you guys know when they are officially for sale, but we have 9 mystery boxes in total. Tons of them. So these are all mystery boxes that have been all stuffed with all the goodies, all the stuff that are going on, and you guys can get these on the website starting tomorrow. And there's a whole bunch of different stuff in here, so you might get napkins, you might get wood houses, you might get stencils, you don't know what you're going to get. It's a mystery box. But they all have lots of goodies in them, and they're definitely worth it, so 9 in total. So keep a lookout for that tomorrow, for sure. And then if you guys haven't seen any of the boutique shirts, like make sure you get those too, because we've got the Deeper in the Heart of Texas one, we have this really, I think this one is the coolest one ever, and there's so many of them left, so you guys need to get on their style blogs, check out some fashion. Get it rolling. But that's pretty much what we have going on today, guys. How are all of you? Let me know how y'all are doing. How was your day? Give me a little update. A little life update. Let's just have a nice chat. Lisa's working on some behind the scenes DIYs, so that'll be on the blog soon, and probably a little video put out. You guys will be able to see that. It's exclusive content. Never before seen.
They have to guess what fruit am I working on.
Yes, guess what fruit she's working on. If anyone can guess, I'll give you a nice crisp high five if I ever see you in person. Carolyn says she would love to get her daughter one of them. Yes. These heart ones are definitely, the shirts are super cute for like anybody. I think they're good. I love these ones. That one's probably my favorite shirt.
Make sure they know that they can get it at DIY Living by Teresa Lindsay, because a lot of people don't.
You can get those on her shop. Anywhere you buy Teresa Lindsay merchandise is on her shop. DIY Living by TeresaLindsay.com. Robin Cooper says watermelon. Savannah Stephanie says watermelon. They're all guessing watermelon.
They're wrong.
Barbara Polson said she was busy today. Her hubby mowed the yard and she weeded and pulled. Weeded? Is that double weeding? Okay. I understand. Then the price of the mystery box will be up tomorrow along with the posting of it on the website. So Lisa will make that announcement tomorrow when they're up.
Yeah, because those are the large boxes. They're not small.
Yeah, they're big. They're big boxes, so they're not little, like her little TLC giftings. They're like big old boxes. So. And Kelsey says, "Please talk slower for us Southern folk." I'm sorry, I talk really fast. I know. I don't know how Lisa keeps up with me sometimes. Kathy Pierce says she bought 2 shirts, but they were a little long on her, so she was wondering if they were made for taller women.
It depends on if she gets the unisex, because the unisex seems to be the most popular. That one is a little bit longer. They don't have one that's considered petite. Mm-hmm. So in a situation like that, they would either need to maybe tuck it in, or we can start showing them how to wear it cute, like with a little tie on the side or something like that. Mm-hmm. For those, because they don't have, in that particular shop that we have, they don't have petite style, and petite normally are for shorter torsos.
Right. So I guess if anyone couldn't hear Lisa, what she was saying was the unisex shirts are sometimes a little bit longer because it's for unisex and they come like that. So petite sizes are usually for smaller torsos, but you don't sell petite, you said, right?
We can't find petite at all.
Okay, yes. So she's had a hard time with finding petite sizes. So I know that there's shirts on there specifically for women, and then there's the unisex one. So maybe if
the only thing is that the most reason that they don't like the one for women is because it's more fitted, and
right.
for the older group, they don't like things that are more fitted. They like it to be more loose and comfortable.
Right. So yeah, if you do purchase the ones for the women, they can be fitted sometimes. But if you're looking for that style, that'll be perfect. If not, the unisex is definitely the way to go. It does go a little bit longer though, but we can give you guys a little tutorial on how to make them cute if they're not too long for you.
Yeah, ask them if they want a tutorial on how to do that.
If you want a tutorial on how to do it, let me know. Now, Janie says tell Matt hi from us.
Do what?
Just tell Matt hi.
Oh.
Matt's not here today. Matt, pray for him, y'all. He's started his real estate license classes today, so he's been working hard all day. Yeah, Barbara Paulson says we want them to cover our booty. Very true. Oh, Cheryl guessed lemons. Dun, dun, dun.
She was right.
Cheryl is a crisp high five for me. You guessed correct. Lisa Perry says it's raining where she is.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I forgot. What state does she live in?
Lisa Perry, what state do you live in? Those mystery boxes contain stuff that followers send and want to share for free for others. No, anything that are in the mystery boxes are actual supply stuff that Lisa is spending a lot of money on. It has nothing to do with the followers. Yvonne says, yeah, mine were fitted. Yeah, if they're fitted and you don't want fitted, definitely go get the unisex ones. Those are the way to go. Jamie says, so many done said lemon. Okay, well, I'm not seeing all of the comments, I guess, but anyone that said lemon, congratulations. Yes, correct. Oh, Bill. Robin Cooper says it's raining in Kentucky, too.
Oh, wow. We could use some rain here in Florida. We need it.
Maryland, the mystery box prices will be out tomorrow when they get listed on the website. I'm in Michigan. Oh, I've never heard of it in Michigan before. Thank you for spreading the love. Dahlia Rosick says it's raining here in New York City. To Lisa Perry, they're a mystery. Yep, you got that right, girl. Angie Rivas, she says, hi, new here. Well, welcome, Angie. Glad you're joining us. There's not too much going on right now. I'm not the DIYer, but I just wanted to come on and say hello and let everyone know what's going on the website and stuff. Guys, there was no competition for the fruit guessing. It was just for fun. There's nobody's winning anything. It's okay. Don't freak out. I'm sure multiple people said them that I didn't see. There's nothing other than a potential crisp high five if I see you in person out of that. Thunderstorms in the 90s in Maryland. Oh wow. Yvonne says Chicago is beautiful weather there. Very nice. Pennsylvania is where Lisa Perry's from.
Oh, okay. She's a long ways away.
I don't think I've ever been to Pennsylvania. Isn't that like Hershey Park down there?
Pennsylvania is like right near Massachusetts.
I've never been.
Oh. Well, is she near Amish town?
Oh, I didn't know that.
There's a lot of Amish up in there.
Who said they want snow? Get up out of here. We don't do that snow stuff here.
I do snow.
Heck no. I moved away from the snow. I'm all set.
I love the snow.
Yeah, the snow is girl. I'm over the snow. I grew up in that stuff. It's cold. I'm all set.
I love the snow.
Kathy Miller. I'm in Massachusetts. Grew up in Ohio. Where am I from? I am from Norfolk, Massachusetts, which is right outside of Foxborough, where the Patriots are. I don't know if you guys know where that area is. It's pretty small. She says, Monica, you have such a sweet attitude. We all love you. Oh, thanks, guys. That's so sweet. We have a flash flood watch in Massachusetts. Oh no! Stay safe. I'm gonna text my friend. What part of Massachusetts? Oh, Vale, that's such a sweet bird. I love that. Oh, I guess Hershey Park burned down and then they had to rebuild it. I didn't know that. Amen, Jennifer. No snow here. Absolutely not. Should I give him a little sneaky peek on what you're doing?
Sure.
There's a little craft going on over here.
That's all you can get.
That's all you know. All you can see is the hot glue going on.
That's it. You have to finish seeing that tomorrow.
Alright, y'all. Well, I think I'm going to hop off, but remember, if you buy 2 earrings on the website right now, which is DIYLiving by TalisaLindsay.com, you'll get a piece of jewelry for free. So it might be a necklace, might be another pair of earrings, might be a bracelet. You never know. It's a surprise. If you buy this shirt right now on the website, which is the authentic rusted aqua something shirt, I'll post a link to it. I don't know the exact title. You'll get these earrings with it for free. So make sure you go check that out. We also have the blog post going up tomorrow on the website, which again, go to DIYLiving by TalisaLindsay.com. You'll see the DIY blog. We have a blog post going up tomorrow about loving yourself in God's image, which is a really nice passage. So I hope you guys check that out and let me know what you think. But other than that, I will see you guys another time. Have a great rest of your night.